using ChatGPT for the marketing of your business. So AI is the talk of the town. Everyone is talking about it, and many people, many marketers, many people, many coaches, many entrepreneurs, and even many other industries already started using it. Right? Many big companies are adopting it, and they are even laying off their employees because they feel that there is a lot of work that could be done with the help of chat gpt and artificial intelligence, very quick, very fast, and there is a need of less number of people because AI can do that work pretty fast with with more accuracy, and it's actually able to replace many humans, right? So it has created a kind of mixed response. Many people are saying that it's a big opportunity, and if you will be able to tap this opportunity, you can grow really fast. And many people are saying that it's going to replace human. It is going to create a kind of panic in the job market. People are going to lose their job. So it's a mixed kind of environment which is created, but what I feel is that it's actually the big opportunity right there, because if you are someone who's an active learner, who is always trying to learn the new things which is coming in the market, and if you are adaptable enough to adapt any new thing, uh, it is going to make a lot of sense for you to now learn about AI, because if you can use AI in your advantage, uh, it is something which is next level thing which is going to stay there. AI is not a fluff. It is something which is not like crypto, or which is not like NFT, which was like created a lot of hype, but the reality was different. In this case, this is not like that. It's something which is real, which is actually working, which people are already started using for the marketing, for various other purposes. So in today's video, let's just talk about what are the use cases of chat gpt and AI in marketing of your digital coaching and consulting business. Okay, so today I'm just going to talk about it in brief. And what I am doing, I'm actually starting this brand new series and on my channel. And in this series, I am going to share different use cases because I already started using it. So I just want to share the use cases and how I am using it, and what are the various possibilities, how you can use it for various purposes in your marketing. If you are a coach, if you are a consultant, if you are someone who is selling your services online, definitely it is going to help you a lot. So don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will get notified about all the future videos and that I'm going to create around ChatGPT and other AI tools. And this is not something that I have shifted from funnel marketing to AI. It's not like that. I am still the funnel marketing strategist and I love marketing, but it's the need of the hour to adopt the AI also in this business model and use it for the good, use it for doing work fast and make it efficient. Okay, so this is how I am planning to use it, and this is what I want for you. So let's just understand exactly how as a coach, as a consultant, you can use chat gpt and AI tools in your marketing. So first thing that you can do is you can do a lot of market research. Okay, it makes the market research really easy. You can understand the pain points of your market. You can use it. You can use chat gpt to know to create your customer avatar, to create your user personas, which are which would be your ideal customers. Okay, it totally depends on the prompt. Okay, so you need to master the prompts. The more and the accurate and the better information you will be able to give AI, the better responses you will get. And it can give you a lot of data in so much detail that for you to actually think about it could be very hard. And if you will go and try to do it for by yourself, it may take maybe many days or even a month for you, but you can do it in few hours if you will be able to use ChatGPT. Okay, recently I did one session where I created the customer avatar for my target audience, and I was actually mind blown by the kind of response that I got, because it was so much very close to my ideal customer that I feel. Okay, and it has given me so many insights that was very difficult for me to find out and understand if I was doing it without AI. So you can actually do it. You can actually do a lot of market research for your target audience to understand their pain points, to understand their goals, to understand the influencers that they follow and what are their interests and all. So you will be able to understand your customer better with the help of ChatGPT if you will use it wisely. So this is the first very important use case. The second use case that I want to talk about is you can use ChatGPT to create various types of content ideas. Okay, so content idea is something which so many people struggles a lot to come up with, but you can use it to come up with fresh content ideas. And with a right prompt you can actually get a lot of ideas in just few minutes, and then you can pick those ideas and elaborate them, expand them, and actually modify them according to your target market. So this is the second use case. The third use case that I want to talk about is you can use it to actually use it as your employee. Okay, you can use it as a person who is working in your team. So you may use ChatGPT as a copywriter. Okay, the ChatGPT become your copywriter and start writing copies for you. It could be sales copies, it could be ads. Okay, so it could be headlines. Okay, ChatGPT can do all these stuff for you. So you can actually train your particular chat module, and by giving the relevant information about your business, about your product, and how you operate as a business. And when the AI get that data, it will give you the responses that will suit to your business. Okay, so it totally depends on that how much accurate data you will be able to give it, so that it can give you the responses accordingly. Okay, and for that you need to have the clarity about your own business. You should know exactly that what is the problem that you are solving with your target market. At least in brief you should know about all these stuff. And when you have the clarity about your business model, about your business in whole, you will be able to train AI in a much better way, and the better responses you will be able to get. So this is very important to understand. Now there is another use case, and that is you can use it to write scripts for your videos. Basically it can act as a script writer and can give you exactly frame by frame scripts that what should you say in your videos, how you should say it, what is the tone that you can use, everything. It can give you everything. So you can use it as a script writer for the content creation process. This is the another use case. And one very important use case is you can use it in the development of your product. So basically you are selling digital product, it's your coaching program, it's your courses, okay, you are doing consulting. So basically you need a lot of information uh, on different topics, and you can use ChatGPT to come up with those informations, and create resources for you to that you can share with your students, with your clients. Okay, so you can develop different kind of tables, different kind of cheat sheets, different kind of checklist, and all this could be done with the help of ChatGPT. So there is a very interesting use I feel this is, because if you can use it, you can definitely roll out new products really fast. You can actually able to help your students in a much better way, because you can give them so many resources which could be beneficial for them to get the results fast. Okay, so these are the different use cases of ChatGPT. Even you can use it for the branding purpose, okay, to plan your branding. How what will be the name of your business, and what will be the name of your community, what color theme you can use, okay, what kind of logo you can use. You can come up with all these ideas, because ChatGPT can give you ideas about your business. The ChatGPT can suggest you names. The ChatGPT can suggest you the brand kits, different colors that you can use. The ChatGPT can suggest you what kind of logo you can use. Okay, so it all could be done with the help of ChatGPT. And one very interesting use is you can actually use it to come up with the creative ideas, like the ideas, like if you are struggling to get some ideas, cool ideas about creating the thumbnail for your video, for your YouTube video. If you are very active on YouTube, consistently posting videos on YouTube, and you want to come up with new thumbnail ideas, you can use it to do that as well. So many use cases are there for your business, for the marketing of your business. Basically you can use it. You can let me just give few more ideas. Like you can use it as to write your emails, your marketing emails. You can write your nurturing email sequence. It could be 30-day email sequence, it could be 100-day email sequence. Okay, you can use it to write all those emails. At least you can get the ideas, and then you can expand. So it is possible. Then you can use it to write your ad copies. You can use it to give to actually create the social media post. For example, if you are using Facebook or LinkedIn to generate leads, to build your audience on these social media platforms, you can actually write posts. You can actually come up with those ideas. So all these different use cases are there that you can use for the marketing of your digital coaching and consulting business, and this is what I'm going to cover in future videos. So just subscribe the channel so that you will be notified about all the future videos, because in the next video what I'm planning to do, I'm actually going to show you that how you can build your user persona, the ideal customer avatar for the marketing of your business. Because the customer avatar is the fundamental. When you have the customer avatar, and you know exactly who is that person you are targeting, you can definitely market your business in a much better way. And this is what I'm going to cover in the next video. And I hope that you got some value from today's video as well. So let me know in the comment section what you want to know, what you want to learn. And I am not only going to talk about ChatGPT, I am also learning other tools as well. So I will share those tutorials as well. So That's all for this particular video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay awesome, stay blessed. And also, I have tons of videos on my channel related to sales and marketing funnels, digital related to digital coaching and consulting business. So just tap the card on the screen and start watching them right now. Thank you.